Good morning, this is Connor from 0DTE Traders here to present our market minute for March 13th, 2024. It is 10:50 and the SPX is trading down about 0.1%, 251.69. It is fairly quiet out here, a lot of mixed to neutral signals. Starting from internals, NYSE NASDAQ volume is actually net positive, ADD plus 900. But the big kicker today, what is limiting upside, at least this morning, is the underperformance in growth mega caps. And if this sustains, well, it's probably going to continue to limit upside. Not to mention, we are getting, I would say, extended on the upside from an options positioning perspective, which is what we focus on, with the call wall being at 5,200, 5,210. So call wall zone, that is our max upside, the upper bound. With the implied high today just above that at 52.12. But before we even touch that, the market has to break the all-time high, which sits at about a 51.90. So quite a bit of resistance overhead. We also see that reflected in 0DTE options volume, which we tend to look at to determine kind of the trading range, upper bound, lower bound. And we can see how substantial that 51.90 call strike is. This is measuring 0DTE options volume. Now on the downside, 5150 is quite sizable in terms of puts. That is the max put with 5140 next in line. And that's really, I would say, the first major support zone, 5150 area. And we would deem this as neutral. It's the ABS zone, which could invoke some mean reversion, some pinning potential. But if that does break, we have the implied low, 5139. Okay, implied high, implied low, that's a 0.7% implied move today, followed by basically the CPI low around 51.25.